Oh no. Here comes El Nino again. I hate the rain.
Los Angeles, a city built on sunshine, with a nasty habit of forgetting what happens when the rain comes. And this year, there's something brewing out in the Pacific. It's called El Nino. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the federal agency that monitors America's weather and climate, says El Nino is here and expected to strengthen through the end of the year. Nobody can tell you exactly how much rain is going to fall on your house. But if your house is sitting on a Los Angeles hillside, that's not the question I'd be asking. I'd be asking, what happens when the water gets here? Because water is patient. It finds the crack. It finds the loose soil. It finds the retaining wall that's been leaning another half-inch every year. And then it starts asking questions. At LA Structural, we deal with what happens next. Hillsides, retaining walls, drainage, tarping, regrading, slope stabilization, loose soil, trees, debris, and anything else sitting uphill that might decide gravity looks pretty good after 3 days of rain. We have a saying around here: a single drop of rain never feels responsible for the flood. That's the trouble with water. The first drop looks innocent, so does the second. Then the ground gets heavier, the soil gets softer, pressure builds, and that little problem you watched all summer suddenly isn't little anymore. The best time to protect a hillside isn't during the storm. It's while the sun is still shining. So take a look uphill. Take a look downhill. Look at your retaining walls. Look at your drainage. And if something doesn't look right, give us a call. 323-422-5807. We'll come out and take a look. But don't wait until the first big storm to pick up the phone. We get booked up, and when the rain starts falling across Los Angeles, so do the available appointments. The earlier you take care of the problem, the better. Because what might be manageable today can cost exponentially more tomorrow, especially when the retaining wall that used to be in your backyard is lying in your neighbor's. El Nino may be coming, and Los Angeles has learned this lesson before. Rain doesn't make hillside problems, it finds them. It's better to know what's holding your house up before the water shows up.
Rain's coming, humans. I've got 4 paws. I can't fix your hillside, but LA Structural can. Call today to get on the schedule.